It's great to be home again. It's just a flying visit this time. I'm actually heading back tomorrow, but I've been back and forth over the last few months, just with obviously obligations. But I'm here today for the Brooks event, and it's been a fantastic morning.
We know that you're going to fight again in 2026. We're in 2026 now. How are plans coming along?
Yeah, I mean, we're still trying to figure out all the details out, but I do plan on having one more fight this year. Kind of like my retirement fight. It's been an amazing journey, the whole lot of it. Over these last 20 years, I've had the highs, the lows. It's just been an incredible, remarkable career, and I've always wanted to end my career here in Ireland, and that's what we're hoping for. That's what we're preparing for, to have one last fight, and it's going to be an amazing celebration.
We know that coming home as well is so important to you and having that fight here. If the Croke Park thing doesn't happen for you, are you content to fight elsewhere in Dublin?
Yeah, I just want to have fight here in Dublin to end my career. Obviously, we're still hoping for Croke Park. We're hanging on to a bit of hope that can happen. But if it doesn't happen, there's obviously plenty of options there as well. I've obviously fought in the Tree Arena a couple of times. The Aviva Stadium is also there. But Croke Park will be the top of the list for me. Fighting for my last fight in our most iconic arena. How special would that be? I think it would be absolutely remarkable if I was able to do that. I'm not sure if it's going to happen or not, but either way, I'm going to be ending my career here, and I'm very, very excited about that.
We all love knowing everything that you're doing, Katie. Have you thought about opponents? Have you thought about timelines? What's the cut-off point, and when do you think this fight in Dublin is going to happen?
Yeah, I'm still trying to work out all those details, to be quite honest, but I think the fight's going to happen maybe July, August sometime. I'm not sure who the opponent is, not sure what exactly the date is going to be, but I just know that I'm going to fight this year at some stage during the summertime, and I'm sure all the other details are going to be laid out in the next few weeks or months. But either way, I'm in the gym, I'm ready for whoever it may be. I'm staying sharp, I'm staying ready, and I'm just super excited actually. Such an amazing career at home, and the Irish people have been so amazing to me throughout my whole career. They've gotten behind me during those Olympic Games. They followed my career all the way to the professional ranks. They followed me all around the world. I know you yourself, Marie, and your friends have travelled around watching me in those epic fights in America. And so that just means so much to me, having that support, and I'm just so grateful for that support. I'm so grateful to be Irish, and I carry the Irishness so proudly as well. And to have a chance to actually end my career here would be so special for me.
It sounds like you're ready.
Absolutely ready, ready to go, and just excited for what's ahead.